Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. From today, we are going to discuss about the Terraform. So from today, I'm going to start the new tool, that is a Terraform, which will help you while working as a DevOps engineer in the real time. So in the Terraform, first of all, I will tell you what I am going to cover in this course, means syllabus. Okay, if you are the new on my channel, please watch the previous playlist. Like I had created the playlist for the Linux, I had created the playlist for the shell script, and also I had created the playlist for the Jenkins. Please go and watch those videos also, and then come and watch the Terraform playlist. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, I will start with the what is the IAC. IAC means infrastructure as a code. Then I will discuss what is the Terraform. Then I will discuss about the resources in the Terraform. Then data sources. Data sources in the Terraform. Then I will discuss about the variables in the Terraform. Then I will discuss how to take the output of the resources in the Terraform. Then I will discuss about the modules. Then we will discuss about the provisioners. Then we will discuss about the state file and lock in the Terraform. Okay, then we will discuss about the conditions and the loopings. Conditions and loopings in the Terraform. Then we will discuss about the how to use the Terraform functions in the while writing the Terraform code. So these are the some major topics which I will cover in the our Terraform playlist, and also we will discuss about the null resources. So this is the syllabus for which I am going to discuss in the further classes. Okay, so these are the topics which are very helpful while you are working in the organization on the Terraform. Okay, first of all, when I'm going to the discuss about the Terraform, first of all I will do the whatever I am going to create the infrastructure using the Terraform, that I will show you the first manually. Then I will show you how to write those, how to automate that using the Terraform. Okay, let's begin the from the first point. What is the IAC? Okay, first of all we will discuss about the what is the IAC. Then we will discuss about the what is the Terraform today. Okay, IAC is nothing but the infrastructure as the code. What is the IAC? IAC is nothing but the infrastructure as the code. Is the meaning and provisioning of the infrastructure through the code. For example, when we are working in the any environment in the previous days, what they are doing means whenever they wanted to create the any environment, like they wanted to create the dev environment, they wanted to create the QA environment or production environment, they create those environment manually. Means whenever they wanted to set up some project for the dev environment, QA environment, and production environment, they need this so many resources which they wanted to create underlying, so that will be created the manually. Sometimes sometimes someone create the infrastructure, and that same infrastructure I wanted to create the in the another project although. So on that time we have to do that task repeatedly, it is a time consuming. So that we can automate using the IAC tool. So that IAC tools are the cloud formation, which will help us to automate the infrastructure in the AWS only. This is specific to the AWS. If you are working with the Azure, so you have the ARM template. But whenever you wanted to work with the different platforms, like different providers, like you wanted to work with the AWS, you wanted to work with the Azure, and you wanted to work with the GCP and any cloud platform, or also it will help Terraform. Also you wanted to work on the any virtualization platform. So on that time, Terraform will help you to automate the infrastructure using the Terraform. Terraform is the infra provisioning tool. With using the Terraform, we can automate the any virtualized platform using the Terraform. So you can automate using the Terraform AWS, you can automate the Azure, you can automate the GCP or any cloud platform. Also, you can automate the on-prem, and also you can automate the Kubernetes also using the Terraform. So because of that, this tool has become the widely famous in the market. So we will discuss this step by step in the coming upcoming lectures. So if you are the new in the DevOps, please watch my previous videos also and start watching this playlist from today. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are the new on my channel, please do subscribe. And if you wanted to add any concept into the my syllabus, please do comment in the comment section. I will try to improve my syllabus in the Terraform. Thank you.